got me crying again, for you left me and then came the rain. Haunting and beautiful melody, vocally rendered by Russ Carlyle. Then came the rain, then came the showers. I'd pace the floor and watch the door through endless hours. The heavens cried for me in sympathy because you were gone. Then came the rain without a letter. I'd go to sleep and weep and hope I'd never get up. With you away from me, I didn't want to see another dawn. Each raindrop kept calling out, we're sorry you've had this falling out. While deep within me, a voice would say, don't take it so to heart, love, we'll find a way. Then came the rain, and then a rainbow, for when you opened up the door, I saw the rain go. The sun came through the mist, the moment that we kissed, the rain was gone. The sun came out, the rain was gone, for you came back to me